Imagine this. You're holding a plastic straw from your soda cup. Now picture Niagara Falls, hundreds of thousands of gallons of water thundering down every second squeezed through that tiny straw. This is about to get messy. So what if you actually funneled the full force of Niagara Falls through a single drinking straw? First, let's set the scale. Niagara Falls isn't just a waterfall, it's the waterfall. About 700,000 gallons of water flow over it every second. That's like filling up an Olympic swimming pool in just a couple of seconds. And the water's not gently trickling, it's smashing down with enough force to power millions of homes. Now, compare that to your soda straw. A straw's opening is maybe 5 millimeters wide. You can blow bubbles in your Coke with it, sure, but channeling a natural wonder of the world, that's like trying to shove an elephant through a keyhole. So what happens if we try? Step 1. The water reaches the straw. At first, it looks like the falls are flowing normally until they reach the funnel system. The instant that massive river tries to cram itself into a straw-sized hole, physics freaks out. Water doesn't politely wait in line. It piles up, pressure skyrockets, and suddenly you've created the most powerful water gun in the universe. Except this gun isn't squirting across the table, it's blasting like a cannon dot. How fast would the water shoot out? Well, let's estimate. If 700,000 gallons per second are forced into a straw hole, the velocity needed would be absolutely insane. You'd get a jet of water firing faster than bullets. We're talking thousands of miles per hour supersonic speeds. At that point, it's not really water anymore. The friction and compression would turn it into something closer to superheated steam and plasma. In other words, your straw just built a death ray. Step 2. The straw itself. Here's the problem. Your soda straw wouldn't survive even a nanosecond. The sheer pressure would shred it instantly. Honestly, the funnel and everything around it would be obliterated too. Concrete, steel, bedrock, it doesn't matter. The falls would just bulldoze through. But let's say, for fun, you had a magical, indestructible straw, something that could survive anything. What then? You'd basically have created the world's most terrifying fire hose. The water jet would be so fast and concentrated, it could drill through the crust of the earth. Aim it downward, and you might punch a tunnel straight through the planet like a cosmic power washer. Aim it sideways, and you'd have a stream capable of vaporizing buildings, mountains, and probably entire cities in seconds. Now, here's the kicker. Even if you could funnel all that water, it wouldn't stay a neat little jet for long. The air resistance would tear it apart almost instantly, spraying mist, vapor, and shock waves everywhere. You'd end up with a thunderous explosion of water and energy that would make a rocket launch look quiet. Basically, Niagara Falls plus straw equals instant doomsday machine. So, what's the takeaway? Trying to funnel a natural wonder into a soda straw is like asking your garden hose to handle a tsunami. The universe doesn't play nice with scale. When forces this big meet spaces that small, the result is less sip of water and more accidental weapon of mass destruction. So next time you're sipping a drink through a straw, just be glad it's Coke and not a waterfall. If you enjoyed this wild what if, hit that like button, drop your own crazy ideas in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending science fun, because you never know. Your next straw might just save the world or destroy it.